We have a 2026 Volvo XC60. This has had a Ghost Pro and a S5 tracker. So if we come around to the front of the vehicle, if we attempt to start the vehicle up, as you will notice, the engine will come on, but we cannot select a gear. So if I try to drive into reverse, it keeps going back to drive or everything. It just returns to park. If we enter our demonstration password, we get 2 beeps of acknowledgement. We can now go into a gear and it will stay present and able to drive.